but then it's gonna be quick. Alright, all your men have been to jail before, suck my dick. And all the motherfuckers you run with, get done with, dumb quick. You gon' poke the dog with some bump. Alright, they go to one, all over some dump. Ain't that something? Remind me of a strip club. Every time we come around, it's like, what? Just gotta get my dicks up. And I don't know who you think you're talking to, but I'm not him, alright, Slim? So watch what you do, or you gon' find yourself next to someone else. And we all thought you loved yourself, but that couldn't have been the issue. Or maybe they just saying that now cause they miss you. Maybe they tried to diss you. That's why you laying on your back, looking at the roof of the church. Preacher telling the truth and it hurts. Y'all gon' make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me go all out. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me act a fool. Up in here, up in here. Y'all gon' make me lose my cool. Up in here, up in here. Off the chain, I leave soft in the brain. Still want the fame, off the name. First of all, you ain't rap long enough to be with me. You ain't strong enough. So whatever it is you puffin' on.